Hey, Cook Hall Chef Kendra here, and today we're making Nutella Pops. That's right, spring is winding down and it's time to think about keeping cool. In Georgia, we're already heating up. These boys couldn't be easier to make and only take a few ingredients. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to need heavy whipping cream, milk, sugar, salt, and of course, Nutella. In this small measuring cup, we have heavy whipping cream that we're mixing with milk, salt, and now we're going to toss a little sugar in there, and we're going to stir that up a bit. We're going to break out the blender and add the milk mixture and the Nutella, and we're going to blend until well combined. Yo, for this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Now I'm going to pour the mixture into some popsicle molds. Don't go all the way to the top. You want to leave a little room. Now this recipe makes 4, but of course it depends on the size of your molds. Also, you can double the recipe. I'll talk more about these molds at the end of the video. Now we're adding the lids and we're going to put them in the freezer for about 5 hours, guys. Let them set up. Okay, we've got these babies out of the freezer. Let's take one out and toss the rest right back in the freezer. The next thing is putting some hot water from the faucet in a large measuring cup. And I'm also going to use a saucer. These molds are awesome, and it doesn't take much to get them free. Just dip the mold into the water and move it around a little bit. Then pull the mold right off. There it is. That's all it is to it, guys. Oh, that's good. That's delicious. I am unboxing an eco-safe stainless steel ice popsicle molds and rack. Everybody knows I love to eat and make ice cream and popsicles and stuff like that. Problem is, when you buy them, it's always a bunch of stuff in them. I mean, there's a few natural ones out there and the price is pretty expensive. So I got this. Now, I've had plastic ice cream molds before. I haven't really felt all that great about them. Plus the quality was whack. So let's see what we got here. And let me say, I bought this. This company hasn't contacted me. This isn't a paid thing. Whatever, the usual. Okay, it's 6 stainless steel molds. And some tings. Recyclable, I like that. What have we here? We have the little knobs. The sticks goes into them, and these are silicone, not plastic. Popsicle sticks. Yeah. What's this here? Oh, the tops, no doubt. The stainless steel tops. Oh, I guess these are bonus silicone things just in case you lose one of them or whatever. It comes with this. Are you happy with your popsicle molds? I have not been, actually. Use and care instructions. So the whole thing, oh man, I can't wait to make fudgesicles with that. So the whole thing goes like this, if I am getting the gist of this correctly. One of these goes into there. You pour in your liquid, and then you put this on top, and then you put it in there, and then you freeze them. You do the dang thing. So we're definitely gonna try these. I'm going to wash these, and I'm gonna pour in some all natural fruit juice, and we will see what happens. Wash these out. I'm gonna slide them in here. And one thing to note, these are bamboo and they're reusable. These should not rust. Okay. They're specifically designed for that. So I'm gonna stick that popped right out of there, huh? So I'm gonna stick these in. Now I'm gonna take this to the freezer, sit it in the freezer, and let it freeze completely. Let's see how these turn out. I just pulled this out the freezer. I wanna show you how easy it is to remove this thing, this popsicle from this container. Cold water on. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1001, 1002, 1003. That's it. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. We see here this little stainless steel piece here can catch drips, and the sticks are reusable. You just wash them. It was really easy to get out of here. Any criticism would be, I wish it had a flat bottom for the freezer, but that's the only complaint I have right now. Hey, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.